Let's improve your English. Vocabulary and test. Can you name these professions in English? Let's do it. What's the first one called? Farmer. Farmer. Let's have a vocabulary test. Who is working on a farm? The answer is farmer.
Hi there. I'm a farmer. I grow vegetables in the field. I also raise cows. Isn't she cute?
Let's have a listening test.
I work at Clover Hill Farm. On the farm, I grow carrots and corn. I also produce milk from cows.
Question number 1. What's the farm he works at called? The answer is, it's called Clover Hill Farm. Question number 2. Does he grow potatoes? The answer is, no, he doesn't. He grows carrots and corn. Learn a vocabulary more. Next one. Police officer. Police officer. Let's have a vocabulary test. Who is protecting us? The answer is police officer. Hi everyone. I'm a police officer. I protect the peace of the town. Let's have a listening test. I'm a police officer. My dad and mom were police officers too. I fight bad guys and protect my town. Question number 1. What was her mom's job? The answer is, her mom's job was also a police officer. Question number 2. Does she fight bad guys? The answer is, yes, she does. Learn a vocabulary more. What is the next profession? Construction worker. Construction worker. Let's have a vocabulary test. Who builds houses? The answer is construction worker.
Hi there. I'm a construction worker. I am building a roof right now.
Let's have a listening test.
I build houses and bridges. Sometimes I also construct buildings. The most important thing is to do it safely.
Question number 1. Does he build bridges? The answer is, yes, he does. Question number 2. What did he say is the most important thing? The answer is, he said that the most important thing is to do it safely. Learn a vocabulary more. What's the last one? Doctor. Doctor. Let's have a vocabulary test. Who is at the hospital? The answer is doctor. Hi there. I'm a doctor. I take care of your illness or injury at the hospital. Let's have a listening test. I work at this hospital on weekdays. This hospital is closed on Saturdays and Sundays. Question number 1. Where does this doctor work? The answer is, she works at this hospital. Question number 2. Does this doctor work at this hospital on Saturdays too? The answer is, no, she doesn't work on Saturdays. More and more listening test. I work at the cafeteria of a high school. During lunchtime, many students eat at this cafeteria. The most popular menu item is the hamburger. Question number 1. Where is this cafeteria? The answer is, it is inside the high school. Question number 2. What is the most popular menu item? The answer is, it is the hamburger.
I am a sailor. I work on a ship with my fellow crew members. The sea is very beautiful, wide, and wonderful.
Question number 1. Does he work in an office building? The answer is, no, he works on a ship. Question number 2. Who does he work with? The answer is, he works with his fellow crew members. Hi! I work on the space station. Space is so amazing. I hope to meet aliens someday. When I get back to Earth, I really want to eat pizza. Question number 1. Who does she want to meet? The answer is, she wants to meet aliens. Question number 2. What does she want to eat when she gets back to Earth? The answer is, she wants to eat pizza. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and click the bell icon.